Alrighty, today we're going to start off by trying to glue this acetate to the back of these windows. Now I know that they make a special glue that's made specifically for clear parts. Testers makes one, but I don't have that glue right now, and I'm not going to go out and buy any. So I'm going to try something different. I'm going to try to use some Mod Podge. It's supposed to dry clear, and I'm using the gloss here. I also have the flat. So let's give this a try, see what's going to work. Okay. I'll take an old paintbrush. It's got stiffer bristles on it. Just put just a dab, a little bit on here. And just start putting it on, kind of like painting it. That's what I'm going to try to do here. My hopes are if this does squeeze out onto the glass or the acetate as it is, or I end up moving the acetate around, adjusting it while putting it on here, that when it does dry, that it dries clear and you can't tell. I also hope that it holds against this plastic too. It should. Let's see, I got a bit too much right there. Dagnabbit. Put some more in these corners here. Okay, I keep pushing, I'm going to overdo it. So let's set this down here. Let's see if we can get this on there the first shot. Or at least close to it. And of course I didn't. I need to move it up. Well, it's holding. Like I said, let's just hope that that dries. As you can see, you got some glue right down there in that corner, and some down that corner squeezing out. Now, I know for a fact if I were to be using super glue on this, that it would leave a horrible mess behind, and you would definitely be able to see it. Okay, that's one. One down and too many to go. No, that one went on much better. Well, looks like we're already having a problem with some of this stuff lifting. This may not work, fellas. Wow. Disappointing. Well, before we go any further with these, I'm going to cut it right here and let the rest of these ones dry that I have done already. See if they were going to hold or not. No sense in going any further if it's not going to work. Alright, welcome back. Well, last time we tried to glue up these little windows with some acetate that I cut out for each individual window. And we tried using this little Mod Podge clear gloss. And unfortunately it did not work as I had hoped. It did dry clear, but the adhesive quality between these two pieces of plastic just wasn't there. I was just afraid that within a few months to a year that these are just going to fall off, and trying to repair this, which is all put together, would be a bit difficult. So what I've done is I actually broke down, I went out to the store today and I bought some testers glue made specifically for clear parts. So today we're going to continue with trying to glue these things on here. I've never used this glue before, so a lot of things here I've never done before. But I'm thinking if it's like most glues, just a little dab will probably do us. Okay, well, that's it for that for now. Next, we are going to go and go back to the paint booth. These here, I have decided I want to paint the same color as the building. Only because once I made the windows this green color, I just thought that was going to be way too many different colors on here. So, I'll see you then.